I rely on technology. I think it's fair to say most people do these days, whether it's for work or just for fun. So having accessories that keep these devices charged is almost as important as the device itself. This is where Anker Prime comes in. Anker Prime is Anker's flagship line featuring the most advanced, fast charging, and cutting-edge technology. Anker sent me 5 of these products from the lineup, and I've been using them over the past month or so on travel jobs and just around my home office. So let me run you through these and share my thoughts because there are a lot of cool features in these products that I've never seen before. There's nothing worse than being out and about and not having a proper way to charge your device, and I fly all the time for work, so one of the things that's always in my bag no matter what is a portable battery. These are the 2 that I've been keeping with me. This is the 26,000 milliamp hour 300 watt power bank, and the more compact 20,000 milliamp hour 220 watt power bank. This larger power bank delivers up to 300 watts of total output for 3 devices, so it's capable of charging 2 different laptops simultaneously. The USB-C port here can deliver up to 140 watts while charging, so it can charge a MacBook Pro from 0 to 50% in like 27 minutes, or it can charge an iPhone 17 Pro Max to 50% in 22 minutes. Now, of course, charging a larger device like a MacBook Pro is going to drain the power bank pretty quickly, but what's nice about these is they recharge incredibly fast. These support dual port fast recharging, which means you can essentially double the charge time by plugging in a second USB-C cable. For the 300 watt power bank, you can charge up to 250 watts, which will charge this to 50% in under 15 minutes. And the 220 watt version supports up to 100 watts of high-speed charging, which charges it to 50% in around 25 minutes. And if you want a more convenient way to charge, they do have this cool Prime charging base that's a 3-port 150 watt charging base. You literally just set your power bank on top of it and it will recharge. It also has 2 USB-C ports on the side and a USB-A port, so you can charge other devices while this is going. It's nice to have actual usable power in a small form factor to keep with me when I am traveling. Just knowing that I can always keep my devices powered is nice. I try to keep my bag as light as possible when I travel, but that can be difficult when I'm packing a charging brick for my laptop, a charging brick for my phone, and for other devices. So I replaced all of these with a single 160 watt charger that has 3 USB-C ports. And this has helped me reduce the amount of things I actually have to bring with me. This charging brick provides 160 watts of total output across 3 USB-C ports, so I can get to my hotel and plug in my MacBook Pro, plug in my phone, and plug in another device, and it all charges off of this single brick. So there's no need to be finding outlets to plug every single brick into. I also love the screen that's on this as well as on all of the other Anker Prime devices that just allows me to see the power output going to whatever I have plugged into it. The items in the Prime lineup all connect to the Anker app, which allows you to really customize and get the most out of these products. You can adjust the charging modes, you can set timers or disable different ports. There's a lot of functionality that these products add when you connect it to the app. The Anker Prime line has really helped with my travel related needs, but they also have helped me with my home office setup needs. This is their 3-in-1 wireless charging station that charges my phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. It can charge my iPhone to 50% in about 22 minutes, which is like 6 times faster than a traditional 5-watt wireless charger. It provides up to 5 watts output for AirPods and Apple Watch, so it can charge an Apple Watch Series 10 to 50% in like 20 minutes. What's cool about the iPhone charger is it has this active cooling that essentially keeps your phone regulated while it's charging. So this is making sure that it's regulating the temperature of your phone so you don't have to worry about battery health when it's plugged in. And there's a touch bar here that lets you toggle between 3 different modes that adjust the fan speeds. All of these products work really well together. Whether I'm on the road or back home in my home office, they really seamlessly transition from one to the other. If you're interested in checking out any of the products I showed in this video, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.